Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos. Now today, dead excited to be bringing you almost an unboxing, more like an unbagging of the Skillcraft Tuscan grill, and this is the large version. Now I've had the Vulcan oven going today. I've filmed the hot dog pizzas and I thought what a great idea to get this out, get it measured so you guys can see it, and also we're going to get it seasoned and we're going to get it cooked off in the oven. So I thought I'll get it all filmed while we've got some heat in the oven. So first of all, what is a Tuscan grill? Well, a Tuscan grill is made for cooking meat and vegetables and putting pans on over embers and flames, either in an open fire or in a wood-fired oven. Now this is a mighty bit of kit. If you have seen the Skillcraft factory tour that I did a few months ago, you'll know how well everything is made in the factory. All British made in the UK, in the West Midlands, and I got one of these off Dave, so thanks Dave, and I promised him I'd do a video on it, so that's exactly what I'm doing here. Now if you like what you're seeing and getting content out of my videos, be sure to stay tuned to the channel by hitting subscribe and obviously hitting that notifications bell for when I release a new video so you don't miss any content. Now let's have a look at what we've got. So first of all, it's in a bag, big bag. And it is made from heavy duty or heavy gauge steel, and a bit of paper comes with it, so I'm going to read you what it says. It says Inferno Products Limited Tuscan Grill. It says note, this grill is made from plasma profile cut mild steel and may have residual signs of dust, steel, oil and other contaminants left over from the manufacturing process. So my hands are dirty. So before your first use, the grill needs to be seasoned, which we are going to do. It says the easiest way to achieve this is to ensure that it's rinsed and dried properly. Coat evenly with a light layer of oil, which we've got here. Heat the grill up until it starts to heat up and it'll start to smoke because of obviously the oils and the impurities coming off it. As you use the grill more, it will get hotter and more seasoned and the grill will go darker, and eventually it should go quite a black colour. It does say to wipe it down after each use as well, but I think coating it in oil before and after each use, after you've used it, get it in the flames, get all the residual food burnt off, and I think you'll be good to go. So let's have a look. It is an absolute monster. I love the pattern. So the idea is you light your fire or drag this over your embers. So it's cut and folded. There's no actual welding to this piece whatsoever. And it looks as well made as the rest of the Skillcraft kit does. Now height wise, so at the front it's 11 centimeters high, width is 31.5 centimeters, and length is 40.5 centimeters. So it's got plenty of cooking space on this. Now I think the new Skillcraft range that's coming out soon of their smokers and things like that, I think their cooking surfaces are made up of several of these put together, which if that is the case, it's going to be a fantastic surface for cooking on. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly rinse this under a tap, dry it off, and then I'm going to come back I'll get you set up right in front of the flames so you can see into the oven and what I'm doing with the oil, getting it all ready, and we'll get seasoning it. Right, so I've finished cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the log guard. So I've got a heavy duty oven cloth. That's that. And then I'm going to spread all of the embers. So this is when a gauntlet glove is really useful. Like so. And you'll see there's not actually that many embers, considering I've had this going for the best part of three and a half hours now. There's not that many embers at all, so what I'm going to do is going to put another log on, or some bits of kindling, just to add to it, whilst we get the grill ready. Next, we have the star of the show. We have the Tuscan grill. And all I'm going to do, first thing first, is get some blue roll. I'll turn it upside down. And I'm going to coat the back of the grill first. Just liberally coating some blue roll. Make sure you don't use your expensive olive oil or anything like that doing this. There we go. So that's the back done. And then the front. Nicely coated. I've moved in a bit closer on the camera, and now I'm going to put my Tuscan grill in very carefully. I'm just going to slide it over the flame so you can see the flame coming up through it. I'm going to leave that for half an hour, just like that. Now I'm not sure if you can pick it up on the camera, but the grill, it is starting to smoke now, just like the instructions said it would, with the oil reaching that really sort of hot temperature, and it's going to sort of seal in the metal ready for you to cook on. Okay, so the Tuscan grill's now been in about 45 minutes, so we're going to take it out. And it's red hot, as you can see, it is burning the cloth. Just fold it over again. And you'll see it has changed colour as it's seasoned. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it another good liberal coating. It is still really hot. I'm only doing the top side this time. That was hot. And there we go. So I'm just going to let this finish smoking off, let it cool down, and then that's good to store, ready to use again next time. And again, before I do anything with it, before it goes in the oven, I'm going to make sure, give it another coating of oil before it goes in. Right, so there we are everyone. The new Skillcraft Tuscan grill, the large version, all seasoned, well, unboxed, seasoned, and ready to go for its first cook. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cook on this for its first outing, and we'll be sure to get something fired up in the oven and videoed for you. Until next time everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel, hitting that notifications bell when I release a new video, and I'll see you all again very soon.
One pizza too many.